In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy formatting in Google Docs. If you want your document to look clean and consistent, the Paint Format tool in Google Docs is a quick and easy way to do it. Instead of manually changing the font, size, color, spacing, or other styling options one by one, you can copy the formatting from one section of text and apply it somewhere else in just a few clicks. To begin, open your Google Doc and find the text that already has the formatting you want to reuse. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or even a single word if it has the exact style you need. Select that text carefully because Google Docs will copy the formatting from whatever you highlight. Once that text is selected, go up to the toolbar and click the Paint Format icon. It looks like a small paint roller. This tool is designed specifically for copying formatting, so after you click it, Google Docs is ready for you to apply that same style somewhere else in the document. Next, highlight the text you want to change, or click on the area where you want the copied formatting to be applied. As soon as you do that, the formatting will transfer instantly. Your selected text will now match the original style you copied. This is especially useful when you're working on long documents and want everything to stay visually consistent without spending extra time adjusting each section manually. If you need to apply the same formatting to more than one section, there's an even more efficient option. Instead of clicking the Paint Format icon just once, double-click it. That keeps the tool active, allowing you to continue applying the same formatting to multiple parts of your document. You can move through the document and highlight each section that needs the update, one after another. When you're finished, click the Paint Format icon again to turn it off, or simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. That will return your cursor to normal so you can continue editing as usual. A helpful tip is to make sure the sample text you choose has exactly the formatting you want before you copy it. That way, you avoid repeating unwanted styling across your document. This tool is perfect for titles, subheadings, body text, and any repeated style pattern you want to keep consistent. And that's all there is to it. That's how to copy formatting in Google Docs quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.